Hi, my name is Michael Rückert from Akasel. I would like to introduce you to the line of Piatto grinding discs. We have the Aka-Piatto, which is available in grain sizes from 80 grit all the way up to 2400 grit. It is used for grinding of materials with a hardness higher than 150 vickers and can go as high as 2000 vickers. It is also available in a different version called Aka-Piatto Plus, which is specially designed for grinding of very hard and brittle materials. The Piatto Plus is only available in grain sizes up to 1200 grit. Both discs can be used on automatic and manual machines for plain grinding and fine grinding. Before you start using your Aka-Piatto for the very first time, it is important that you press it. You open it up to make the diamonds stick out and remove a lot of material. To do that, we have this special aluminum oxide pressing stick. It is relatively large, covering the entire radius of the disc. You switch on the disc, switch on the water, and simply hold the pressing stick on the right hand side of the disc. Press it slightly down and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds to remove the resin and have the diamonds come out. Clean the disc afterwards to make sure you have removed all the aluminum oxide. When grinding automatically, you move the head of your preparation machine over the preparation disc and you move it down into the correct position. It has to be positioned so the actual sample in the sample holder is going over the edge of the Aka-Piatto. That guarantees the best possible plainness of your samples, and it will also guarantee the longest possible lifetime of your Aka-Piatto. When you insert the samples, you should space them equally, not putting them next to each other, but have space in between. When all the preparation parameters are set, you simply press start and grinding is done automatically. You can hear as soon as the force is applied that the grinding starts taking place immediately, and these diamonds, they do not wear like silicon carbide paper. They will have a constant removal over a very, very long time. Now the grinding process has stopped, and we take out one of the samples to have a look, and you can see a uniform grinding pattern over the entire surface. So very short time and perfect grinding result. The Aka-Piatto is not only perfect for automatic grinding, it can also with great success be used for manual grinding. We simply switch on the disc, switch on the water, and I put the sample down close to the center of the disc and move it slowly outwards. I only move it back and forth. I don't rotate it because I want to wear the Piatto equally, and by not rotating I get scratches in one direction, so I can easily see when I'm finished with the grinding step. If I should continue with the finer grinding step, I simply rotate the sample 90 degrees, put it back on, and like this it is easy to see when the grinding scratches from the previous step have been removed. And then I can continue on to polishing. Looking at the sample, you can see it is perfectly flat, much more flat than you ever can get it by using silicon carbide paper. If, after some time of grinding, the removal rate on the Aka-Piatto decreases, you can simply open it up, press it again using the aluminum oxide pressing stick. After pressing it several times, you may be seeing that the disc is getting worn mostly at the center, and if the disc is worn down all the way to the base metal, it's time to replace it. But usually you can grind what equals to several packs of silicon carbide paper with one Aka-Piatto. Just to sum up, the Aka-Piatto is perfect for grinding of all types of materials, is available in two different types, Aka-Piatto and Piatto Plus, and it's very important before you use it the first time to make sure it is stressed. Also check your magnetic disc to make sure that that is absolutely flat.